Hi guys, it's James from CMC Motorcycles. To celebrate our new YouTube channel, we're giving away a pair of the Eleveit waterproof boots. This is the Versus full grain leather waterproof boot with the E-drive membrane. Comes with the fully adjustable ratchet on the front for the perfect fit every time. Reinforced toe box area, steel shank through the sole. These are perfect for everyday riding. These retail at $159.99. All you need to do is like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment below on your shoe size, and let's see who can win. Good luck everyone, thank you for visiting CMC Motorcycles YouTube channel.